Hello friends, so today I am going to show you how to change or modify or add your logo on YouTube channel. So let's go to the YouTube, click on your channel, click on YouTube Studio, click on customization, go to the brandings. Here if you're going to add new, if your channel is new, you need to add instead of change, but here I already added, so it is showing as a change here. I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it with my new logo which I created. Yeah, that's done. I am going to change my banner image as well. I created a banner of this one. Banner is changed. Clicking on publish. Logo has been changed. Also banner has been changed. It will take some time to reflect in your friend's device or device available at another country. Yeah, it is done now within 3 to 4 seconds. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share. Bye bye.